T.G. 卡赫 T 代表的是天使 ，G 代表爱尔兰语，拖做卡赫的 C 是提示拼图的意思。T.G. 卡赫是爱尔兰语电视台。作为一家为复兴爱尔兰语的电视台 ，T.G. 卡赫当清楚自家ทีม为了之前，第一点单场将电视台设立的地点是看得出来。
Because we're broadcasting in a minority language, we like to give a different viewpoint of that language community. We're also based in the west of Ireland, whereas RTE, the main service, is based in Dublin. So that provides us with an opportunity of providing different kind of stories that reflect life in the west of Ireland. 传讯音乐 ，T.G. 卡赫唔但强自己最大能力，扮演好传的角色，并马上学来衔接，佢哋就有明确嘅目标。尤其要燃烧爱尔兰语最重要嘅关键，是本行业台后场嘅唐日时热现讲，所以用班透过节目，教导小朋友来看，系 T.G. 卡赫最主要嘅进步。
When they're flicking through the channels, we want them to select T.G. Cahir because we have the best programs. Not because their teacher tells them to watch T.G. Cahir, or not because it's the good thing to do, their parents tell them to watch T.G. Cahir. So we want the kids to make the decision when they're zapping because they liked the programming. So a lot of the programs that we would choose would be big international brands that would be recognised maybe worldwide, both on TV and also outside of television.
我写到后生人看，当然总得专门保留古董的东西，所以 T.G. 卡赫都保存传统价值的同时，让我们记得我再现爱尔兰最现代的一面。
Make modern drama in the west of Ireland where it's credible that the people speak the language, and then we have young actors and good-looking people. Our presenters are renowned to be the best-looking presenters in the whole of Ireland. So it's again the image, changing the image that the people had of it being a sort of an irrelevant language in some cases, an old language that really only spoke to older people.
我本人最热爱是系，就算推广爱尔兰语系佢哋最重要嘅任务。我详细来看 T.G. 卡赫嘅节目表，就会发现，当年6点钟嘅首播节目地图有卡通、戏剧、新闻、传统语文、体育比赛，乜嘅都有。我就冇看到任何语言教学性质嘅内容。
We don't see ourselves directly as teachers of the language. Our primary role is to provide a television service primarily in the Irish language.
You know, the purpose of the TV station is as an entertainment tool. When T.G. Cahir started, they have that educational aspect in school, but they also have a daily point of interaction with the channel or with the language that's purely entertainment. And that's purely fun, and that's purely something that they enjoy.
係講我列出 T.G. 卡赫成立13年來最成功嘅地方，可能係佢獎權5%嘅兒童節目收視率，也有可能係佢得過當多獎項驕傲嘅記錄。不過最珍貴嘅地方，現在係佢本看起來當場衝出嚟概念，先腦球達到最好嘅評分。佢哋啟動傳統三媒體時代，研究創新，但天才唔忘本。或者7位溫強青年對愛爾蘭高年會所作嘅採訪報道。